Hey guys, welcome to the Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT with Canva. So to do that, let's head on to ChatGPT. Okay, so over here we can use the Canva plugin for the ChatGPT. To do that, you need to have a GPT-4 version. Alright, so if you have upgraded to the GPT-4 version, you can use the plugin for free. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to settings and then go to beta over there and make sure the plugin is activated. So now just follow the steps in the video. Okay, now click over here and scroll down and you can see the plugin store, and now search for Canva and install the Canva plugin. Alright, so once you have installed the Canva plugin, you can see the option for Canva where make sure that is activated. Now all you have to do is enter the prompt that you want, and here you can see the prompt that I have entered, and the Canva plugin has been activated, and then so on the picture
to create a post for Instagram for my Black Friday sale, and it's going to create these type of posts.
And here you can see there are various posts that has been created by ChatGPT. Now that is how you can use ChatGPT with Canva. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.